My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware that is called upsil0n. First of all, keep in mind that my video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Now, before the ransomware attack, users are able to open their files without troubles. Pictures, music, all sorts of other documents can be opened easily without any complications. Unfortunately, some computers are indeed vulnerable before the ransomware attacks. So very soon users realize that they just cannot use their files anymore because of this upsil0n ransomware. Very soon they realize that the files have been damaged and encrypted by this particular upsil0n ransomware. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this upsil0n extension to the file names. The ransomware also drops this ransom note mentioning that the files have been encrypted and that the solution to decrypt them is to pay the ransom. On the other hand, we strongly urge you not to do that, not to pay the ransom. Paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay it, you may just waste your money. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be modified by this ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it. The program will be initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will most likely, first of all, update its anti-malware database, which is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, the part of the premium license. And it will help you to remove this ransomware and also to protect your files from further ransomware attack. But this feature does not decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. We recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license. This is still the best solution to always keep your files always under the protection against any other possible ransomware or malware attacks.